Hello. Hello. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd go ahead and review Boxycharm January edition box. I did receive this in the mail about 2 days ago and I thought why not go ahead and review it to my channel because I've pretty much done every other box and well, why not just keep this trend going? You know what I'm saying? I went ahead, like that makes sense. I'm saying that again. I did go ahead and open this box prior to filming this video and I did a makeup look using the contents that were inside of it because I wanted to try a new style reviewing it. So if you guys want to see what my thoughts and opinions are on this box and what I got, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so this box edition is called Netflix and Chill. Boxy and Chill, and it looks like this. Now, as you guys already know, or if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 and something cents, roughly around $22.39, I believe, with taxes included. Once a month, it hits your card on the first of every single month, and if you don't have money in there, then they will email you notifying that, uh-oh, you may miss this box, because I had it happen to me one time, so I never experienced. However, like I said, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It does send you 5 full-size products every single month of different brands that you get to sit here and review, test out, see how much you like it. But what I love about this subscription service, even though it's a pain in my ass sometimes, is that I love that I get full-size products. Like, honestly, you can't beat that. Like, 5 full-size products for $21 a month, or really $22, $36, let's just be real. That's fantastic. So it gets shipped out usually around the 10th, and I get a mail. What's today's date? Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Wednesday, the 16th of January, 2019.
Okay, so this box got delivered on the 14th and I got my email tracking information on the 10th. So it does take like a couple of days for it to come through, honestly. So normally, Boxycharm is a great company. They're really quick responding back to customer service in their emails and as well as commenting back on their Instagram photos, as well as sending out tracking information. Just last month's was like a nightmare because of how long it took to get the products for the Boxy Luxe, and I will link that video right up here, and it was just a disaster. So I'm giving this box another go to see how I like it, and yeah. This is the Boxy and Chill edition. God, my lights are so bright you can barely see that. But I got 5 full-size products. What I got was the Borijo Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisturizer Leave-In Mask, 2 ounces. This is a hair mask. It sells for $16. The next product is the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume Free, and this retails for $36. The next we have the Luxe Longwear Eyepencil, and this retails for $19. Then we have the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Face Mask, and you get 2 packs, retails for $24. And then you get the Bite lipstick that retails for $26. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this box. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna go ahead and post a video right here since I'm kind of learning how to do that. And I'm gonna just kind of show you me, putting on this entire face pretty much. But what I'll start with first is like kind of the first step. So what we see here is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I'm gonna let myself speak for myself on my thoughts or how I did it. So go ahead, me. Just go. Weird. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Ew. Nasty. So while this mask is on, let me just go ahead and say what it does. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask from normal to dry skin. Well, I don't have dry skin. I have oily ass skin. And I'm wearing this mask. So, first off, look at this. It looks like a sexy look. Luminous Dewy Skin Mask for normal to dry skin. For centuries, Japanese women would brew biobotanicals into a rich elixir, captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. This practice inspired this silky, soft skin fitted sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink for ultra hydrating botanical oils and extracts for dewy glow in just one use. Apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes. Peel off mask, massage remaining serum into skin. Do you see that? You see that? Look. Ew. After wearing this mask for 15 minutes, looking at my skin, it, to me, I mean, I guess it looks luminous. I guess. I did matte it down a lot because I'm gonna be real with you. I don't like anything luminous. I'm a very, very oily girl. I get extremely oily on my forehead, particularly my T-zone and all of my cheeks, right in the little corners right here. A little bit right here built up, and then right here is dry, right here is dry, and sometimes like right here it gets dry. So it's a little weird. I mean, people would say you have combination skin, but in reality, I really do have oily skin. And so wearing a luminous mask is that's just a no for me, just because why would I want to illuminate when my oil is going to shine through? Like right now I look matte because I probably just had my face like 30 minutes ago with setting powder, so I'm looking matte right now, but I guarantee you like in an hour or two, girl, I'm gonna be shining. It is what it is. And I've tried so many things to try to help it out, and I don't even want to talk about it, how oily I am. So for anyone out there who loves Tatcha, Tatcha is a really expensive brand. Like I got her her primer, just for face primer, and for like 65 bucks. And like the products they are great. They really truly are. I just wish that I could love the brand more. It's mostly geared towards dry skin. It's not really geared toward oily skin like me. This is a mask that like I said, I tried one of them. There's still one here. I'm not gonna use this mask again because I don't care to have luminous skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my giveaway box. You know, that box is just honestly just building up at this point because I just have so many things I just end up giving away because I'm not gonna use it. Why waste it? So this is gonna go to one lucky viewer of mine for sure. The next product. The next product is the Tarte Rainforest Sea Volume 3. Now, before you guys judge what my little sigh of frustration was, is that I already have this product. Yeah, look, I already have this product. See? See? Already have. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, no, I was so upset. I was like, no, because I literally already received this in the mail. Oh God, a year ago I bought this, and because I thought it was so pretty. Like, I'll show you the colors, like, don't mind how dirty it is, but like, seriously, the colors in this palette, it's gorgeous. Everything is a shimmer shades. It is what it is, but it's a really, really gorgeous palette, and you can create, honestly, any gorgeous look. Like, I don't think that you can go wrong with this palette. Like, I just don't think you can go wrong with creating any shade. It has a nice little decent sized mirror, but I will say this is a really gorgeous palette. Now, like when you look at my eyes, like I said, my video's down here. I went ahead and I did an eye look. Really simple. I used 3 colors on here. It took me less than 5 minutes to do this eye look. Like literally less than 5 minutes. You don't barely have to blend these shadows. They blend so easily into each other and they mesh so well, and every single shadow complements each other. So it doesn't matter what shade you use, it's gonna look great on you no matter what, and it's gonna blend well with any other shadow in the palette, and it's gonna look great. I wish I would have gotten the other boxes. Now there are 6 different boxes that you guys could have received for the Tarte limited edition eyeshadow palettes that came in this box. I really wanted the pink one, which I'll put right over here somewhere. I really wanted the pink one and I didn't get it, and I got the Rainforest Seas, and my other friends who got the same box as me, they got the exact same eyeshadow palette, which they also currently own. This is also gonna go in my giveaway box because I want someone out there who would get better use out of this, seeing as how I already have my own. So for the next product, we do have the Luxe Star Luxe. Oh, it's called Star Luxe. Ooh. I said it wrong in the beginning, and I don't feel like correcting myself. So what? So we have the Star Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. It's a little weird because if you look at it, like it is like, this is a nude pencil. Like, let me just draw it right here. Or you know what? Like, look at that. It's like a pink eye pencil. Would I ever really use this? I don't know. I mean, I put it on my eyes already. Like, I'm wearing it on my waterline. I don't know if you can really tell. I mean, I can't tell just by looking at the viewfinder. I honestly can't tell. But it glided on really nice. I just wish maybe it was like a black color because I wear black eyeliner all the time, and I just wish it was like black or dark brown or even gray. Having it be pink, I mean, it's what it is. So the next product that we got, well, I guess the last one because I've already got it gone. Oh, the next product we got was this hair mask. Haven't used it. Yo. It smells like citrus, fruity. I want an orange because of this. Why do I sound like a robot when I read? Like, I don't get it. This super moisturizing and straightening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil, an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And this is it. So I guess for the last product that I got was the Bite lipstick. I've never tried any of the lip stuff from Bite before, so I was actually really excited to get it. And the color that I got was Honeycomb. And, oh shit. I'm wearing it on my lips and it looks like this. It's like, honestly, it's a nice little like nude lipstick. And I love anything nude. I just do because it's so easy to like mix it. I probably put this on and like put a gloss on top of it, and it's very smooth, it's very creamy, it feels very velvety in the lips, and it's very, very soft, and I honestly forgot that it was on until I was like, oh yeah, I have it on. I really do like it, so I think I was like really pleasantly surprised that I got this color. I'm gonna be real with you, okay? I've had Boxycharm now for over a year and a half, and every single time they've sent me lip products, they send me like doo-doo brown colors, really ugly, like metallic, weird brown gold. It's like I never, ever get a good lip. Like I never do. Like I get all these weird colors that I'm never gonna wear. Like they're ugly. And I don't get it because I watch all these influencers and like their ads they have on Boxycharm, like so I get it because they're ads. But like I watch it and I'm like, they get these like really pretty pink colors and reds, and here I am getting like this doo-doo brown that no one's ever gonna freaking wear. So I was like not expecting to get a good color, and I got a good color and I'm very happy about it. I'm gonna wear this. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this box. I like this edition box. I mean, like, it sucks that I'm not gonna be able to use the mask and the palette. Like, that's something that I was really looking forward to, was the palette itself. And I already got the one that I had. So to me, that's very disappointing because I don't get to use it. And I wish I could because it's really pretty. So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos weekly. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for all the love and support. And I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye, guys. Today's video, guys, if you guys want to give... what? Oh. Awkward. Hello, hello, hello. But I'm going... Why do I talk so fast? It's irritating. So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys... should have started off, huh? That'd be a good idea. Into this. So I did what you could...